Hello everyone, my name is Leong Chan-Hoong, Head of Social Cohesion Research Program at RSIS, Nanyang Technological University, Singapore. Southeast Asia is one of the most diverse regions in the world. It is home to over 700 million people who speak more than 200 languages and represent all major religions and ethnicities. In spite of the vast cultural differences, there is no systematic approach to track the state of social cohesion across time, which is crucial for stability, sense of nationhood, and progress. And for this reason, it is important that our research includes questions relating to religion, ethnicity, and language diversity. Social cohesion broadly refers to the quality of social ties in society. The concept measures the state of connections across communities, institutions, and the state, as well as the variegated meanings of cohesion, such as the strength of network and trust. In 2022, RSIS conducted a pilot study using the Participants Perform framework to assess the state of cohesion in Southeast Asia. In 2025, we have strengthened findings using national samples from all 10 countries, interviewing at least 1,000 individuals in each. The results demonstrated the positive overall social cohesion across all countries. In general, there is a broad acceptance for diversity, where more than 7 in 10 people are confident that people from diverse backgrounds will help each other regardless of their identity. The result, however, also pointed out that some countries can do more to promote greater institutional trust and to encourage civic participation. Social cohesion is a work in progress. We need to constantly nurture the ties between communities and policymakers across various domains of everyday life. Institutions can partner with local communities to jointly develop strategic goals that will serve the needs of society. This will foster greater confidence and trust in the state. In the next stage of greater development, we'd like to collaborate with the region to identify culture-specific challenges that affect the social fabric of societies and to find out what are the policy levers that can help promote harmonious coexistence. We look forward to working with you as partners.